beautiful people. How you all doing? It's a beautiful weekend. It's a beautiful, beautiful weekend. All right. For those that are just joining us for the first time, you are welcome to Blue Traders. You're very welcome. And we do this every weekend whereby we analyze the chart and see where price is likely to go to during the week. All right. So do turn on your notification button. Notification button, yeah, that's what it's called. To turn it on so you don't miss out anytime I drop a new video. Okay. So let's dive into this. And also, I'll be talking about a little bit of the trade that we took during the week, which I've made a weekly review, a break, which I've made a breakdown video of it. So you can, check it out also. You can check it out, but I will still talk a little bit about it here. So last week, what did we talk about last week? This candle wasn't created yet, all right? We didn't create this candle yet, but we wanted to see price go up. I was still bullish last week. So one thing that I always tell you is the time frame alignments, right? If you want price to go higher on a weekly, because we're trading weekly, this is a weekly analysis, right? So you're trading the weekly, you want price to go higher on the weekly. It's simple. Apply your time frame alignments. It's between weekly and 4 hour, right? It's not a secret. It's between weekly and 4 hour. So you have to align those time frame. Don't go on other time frame to be looking at what you're not supposed to be looking at, right? Honestly, let me tell you the honest truth, right? You don't need to be switching from one time frame to one time frame to another. No, just relax. Relax. If you want to catch a big move, right? Unless you don't want to catch a big move, because you guys do see me catch those big moves, and I hold for the entire week, right? I hold for the entire week. I've closed my trade, unless I still have some trades that I'm holding from, I think from somewhere these levels. And the reason why I'm holding those trades was because of this. I took the trade from here to here. I was targeting this, but I see that price was likely to go higher a little bit, so I'm still holding. So if you want to catch those moves, you have to know what high time frame is doing and know the right time frame alignments to align with it. Okay, let's say now this is weekly, right? And you want to see price go higher. Okay, so what you're gonna do, I've said this many times, but I have to repeat again. What you have to do is that, okay, first of all, we have this fair value gap here, right? Which where price will likely come to. But looking at this, if price could come here, it won't be a nice move to the upside anymore, because now we're gonna have a structure like this, a candle like this, which I mentioned last week. So what I would like to do is that I would like to look for another point of interest, right? Which I did last week, which I explained to you guys last week, all right? So I went on a daily. I don't trade daily. I can just use daily for confluence. I went on a daily and I saw this 2 candle. So okay, cool. This could be where price will likely come back to and go up, right? But what did price do? Price used it as liquidity. So me seeing that price has used it as liquidity, okay, cool. I'm still waiting for my 4 hour to see what 4 hour is gonna do, right? So I just want to see 4 hour align with that weekly, which is my bias. It's as simple as that. If 4 hour is coming down like this, it's bearish, right? You want to see it align, turning bullish. Then you take your trade and hold. You take the same thing that you're doing on that your time frame that you used to take entry is the same thing that you would do here, all right? Or let's say you find yourself on lower time frame, lower time frame. You take your trade here, and you see price start going up, and you see 4 hours start giving you that bullish confirmation. You hold your trade. There's no secret of holding. You just hold your trade. If you can't hold, another secret that I can tell you is that if you can't hold, you can take some profit off. Like take some profit off, whereby if price pull back down and take you out, you lose nothing. Right? Doesn't that make sense? You lose nothing. Then you wait for it again, because okay, if it doesn't come today, it will come tomorrow. But trust me, Even if it's a runner that you hold, by the time the trade gets to where it's going to, you're going to make a lot of profit. This is not a financial advice, okay? It's not a financial advice. This is just educational purpose only that I'm giving you. If you need an advice based on what I said, contact your financial advisor. All right? So, yeah. So we're looking for time frame alignments. All right? So this weekly analysis is just not just gonna be me coming here and tell you, oh, I think price is gonna go here. Or there's a possibility that no. I'm gonna also teach you how you could align yourself to that direction. Okay? So because if okay now, the reason why I said I don't trade daily is that I'm trying to look for that weekly expansion. Okay? So if I'm looking for daily expansion, I will do the same thing. I will go on 1 hour, right? And look for 1 hour or 5 minutes or 15 minutes, but 1 hour. I'll look for 1 hour, go for 1 hour, and catch this expansion. Just like the way price was here. Let's go down back a little bit. Don't worry, we're gonna get to where price is going for this week. I know everybody's excited to just hear that, but come on. You need to also learn how to catch it, not just knowing where price will go, and at the end of the week you'll be like, fuck, I didn't catch this. Oh, what did I miss? No, I'm telling you how you can catch it. So if you want to catch daily expansion, right? So this is a fair value gap here. Right? This is a fair value gap. All you're just waiting for, we're bullish. All you're just waiting for your proper time frame alignment, and you catch the expansion. So you go on 1 hour, right? You go on 1 hour. You want 1 hour to align with your what? Okay, if you answer that right, to align with your buyers. All right. So this is 1 hour. You can see we're already having that manipulation, having manipulation to the upside, but we still have this candle. I'd like to see price close above this and give us a fair value gap. And you can see, what can you see there? You can see we're already having that move to the upside. Okay, you can see there's already fair value gap here. There's already a fair value gap here, so you can take your entry here. You just take your entry there. You don't need too many time frame, whatever. You just take your time frame, your thing here. If you lose, you lose. You understand? And you can just target here. That's it. You see what I'm telling you, right? So when price is pulling back down, you can just hold because price hasn't come to your stop loss yet, right? So this is gonna be your entry. Price came back to it one more time and manipulate, and this is gonna be your target. That's all for the week. That's all for the day. The same thing you do for the week, right? You're looking for this daily expansion, right? Just go and backtest this, find your daily buyers. Then for this, you don't need price and time. I'm gonna tell you the truth. You don't need price and time. Price and time is for scalping, right? Because I can see some people, they're waiting for, they want to trade the daily expansion, and they're waiting. You're trading high time frame, remember. You're not trading lower time frame. Come on. This price and time thing, it's for scalping. All right? It's for scalping. I'm an ICT trader. I can say I'm an ICT trader, which I'm even mixing. I trade ICT, only ICT, nothing else. But one thing that you will know about ICT is that, right? The way I see it, there's so many ingredients that this man dropped that you can make different kind of soup with it. So you won't go use all those ingredients and go make one soup. The soup will be the taste will be rubbish. So you have to choose, how do you want to trade? What do you want to do? What kind of soup do you want to cook? Then you go choose the few ingredients, not even much, few ingredients, then cook that soup. Then it will make sense. If that makes sense to you, right? So if you're trading price and time, right, you're not trying to catch all this expansion. Maybe you catch a trade from here, price and time. It should be, I think New York section. Maybe you're catching this expansion, right? You're catching this expansion, or however you want to do it. You go on lower time frame. I know all those things also. Let's say you want to catch this expansion because you're bullish, right? Or you can even catch a sell during that time. It doesn't matter what you catch. You can catch a sell during that time. But we're not talking about it here. All right, let me not even go further. We're not talking about it here. because if I keep going further, I'll keep going on lower time frame. Then I might lose some of you there. Okay, so we are on weekly. This is why I'm also telling you all these things. There's nothing much on this weekly to this week, but with what I have shown you, you'll be able to know how to navigate through this coming week. Okay, so for this week that we're getting into, we can clearly see that we have a fair value gap here. We have a fair value gap here, all right? We have a fair value gap here, and we have a high here, which hasn't been taken out. So this is very clearly bullish. Clearly bullish. We can also see that price closed above this high. All right, price closed above this high of this other candle. So closing of this high says that we strongly bullish, right? Though price has already come back down, which was this previous week. So we're bullish. So for me, if price wants to come down, I would like this high to get swept. I would like this high to get swept. Then price can start pulling back down. Maybe next week might be a selling week or what, but overall we are bullish, all right? It could be a selling week, then we can just sell. Selling where? Down to here, because remember, price goes from internal to external. So we already have our internal. We have our internal, which is the fair value gap that I marked out just now. We have our internal. We have our breakout structure. We have our breakout structure, which is this. So we have our external. So price is just like this. This is how I see it. Price is just like this. So it might take out the high and come back down, or maybe come down and go for the high. So whichever one it wants to do, remember, 4 hour will tell us that. All right. So this is all I have for you for this week. Like, there is nothing much. I don't want to complicate it. I don't want to complicate it for you. So this is what we have for this week. All right. So wish you guys good luck trading. Is it the week before Christmas? Which date are we on? We're on 14. So I have 7 more days. 7 plus 14. That's gonna be like, I think that's 21. Yeah, after that week, then we're gonna, after the next week, so we're gonna prepare for Christmas, and that's it. I think after this week, I think okay, the next week will be my last YouTube. Then it's gonna be next year, right? Then I'll use some time to record some videos. There's some topics that I would like to upload here. So yeah, guys, this is it, and nothing much. The price is so clean. I'm bullish. If you want to swing, you can wait for this and swing, but we don't have any target up here. So you can always use this fib to find your targets, right? You can always use this fib to find your targets. There's the setting of the fib. How do you find your target with this fib? Let me show you. So if you have price manipulate, let's say you have your internal range liquidity here, and price did its thing and come to it, right? And you just don't want to target just as maybe it was just too small for you or whatever. I will use the trade that I took on Friday, for example, also. But you just don't want to target just this, right? Maybe it was too small, or maybe you got your entry around here. Then you can just use this for a target. You can target this 1 minus 1. Price is likely to get here. Let me show you with the trade that I took on Friday, which I sent to my trading room, was shared with them. So as you can see, price was around here. Okay, price was around here, and we had this inversion. We had this inversion fair value gap here. We had this inversion fair value gap here. Then during New York section, as soon as price opened, price came to it. I don't need to. Okay, price came to it. Price came to it, and went on 5 minutes to look for confirmation. So this is what I did. As soon as price gave the confirmation, which was this, this is what I did. I used this for my targets. I can see price got to it. Price got to it, and this is where I closed my trade and called it a week. right? So because if I wanted to target just this, it's too, like, especially during this time, I don't just want to target like this doesn't mean I do it sometimes, but not during New York section. Come on, come on. Not during New York section. Just want to target one. Nah, come on. Find more target. Maybe you target two to one, or you can do this. Right? This was a clean, fine, nice target because there's nothing up here. All right. If there was something up here, I could find more target up here. Right? But there's nothing, absolutely nothing up there. So what did price do? Price started going down, going down, going down, and that was it. So yeah, guys. I wish you guys. I know I've wished you guys a great week before. I'm gonna wish you guys again. So this is it for this week. And yeah, please, if you enjoyed the video, do like and subscribe. Right? Just like that's everything is all for free. All I just need is your like. And the more I see like, trust me. The more I see your likes and your comments, the more it will make me want to give you more stuff. You understand? Give you more stuff. And let's try to, take this channel to 1K. 1K is not that much. Come on, share. Let's get it to 1K. So I have a lot of things that I want to give to you guys. I have a lot of course. I want to make like a course, a complete course, some complete courses, but I want it to get to 1K so that at least there'll be a lot of people that are going to watch it. Okay? So as I said earlier, please do like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, right? But unless you don't enjoy the video, then yeah. All right, peace out.